cooking show on my channel Live with Smita. Everyone is crazy about pizza McPuff these days. Pizza McPuff is crispy from outside and creamy and full of veggies from inside. So this is very easy to make at home and you can make it for any occasion. So let's get started. To make McDonald style McPuff, let's start preparing a dough for covering. I have 2 cups of refined flour or maida, adding salt to taste, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, and then add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Mix flour with oil really well and add chilled water to knead the dough, and the dough has to be stiff. Remember, I am emphasizing to use chilled water for kneading. Add water gradually, and when you get a stiff dough, cover it and keep it aside to set for 30 minutes. For filling, in a heating pan, add finely chopped garlic, ginger, and a medium-sized onion. Followed by small half carrot. Let them cook for a couple of minutes. Then add small half capsicum, 2 or 3 tablespoons sweet corn, salt to taste. And here goes in all the sauces. 2 tablespoon pizza or pasta sauce, followed by 1 tablespoon sweet chili sauce and 1 or 2 tablespoon ketchup. And season them with oregano. Now the filling is ready and keep it aside to cool down. Once it is completely cooled down, add some grated cheese and give it really a good mix. Then here our dough is also ready. Your rolling board and start rolling one portion in a rectangular shape. Once you get an even rectangular sheet, now cut the edges from 2 sides to get a perfect rectangular sheet. Now make a vertical slit in the center of the sheet, then a horizontal. Apply some water on the edges of the sheet on which we have placed our filling. To make it beautiful and seal it even more, Mark the corners with fork. For frying, keep them into the fridge for 30 minutes. Now fry them into hot oil on medium to low flame. It will take 7 to 8 minutes to turn them golden brown. Once they are nicely golden brown, take them out and our puffs are ready. So tada! Our crispy, tangy, full of vegetables puffs are ready to eat. Serve them hot with your favorite dip or ketchup and enjoy your evening. If you love this video, please do let us know in the comment section below, and please share this recipe with your foodie friends and family. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Enjoy, lots of love.